So here are 5 phrases to use throughout the games.
Let's start with the basics. Dewch mlaen.
Simple and essential. Dewch mlaen is the bread and butter for sport in Wales throughout the games.
Add Cymru to the end of it and you've got Come on Wales. Dewch mlaen Cymru!
Chwiban.
Nobody wants to hear this.
Unless you're winning, of course.
Woo!
Mae ref yn uffernol.
Occasionally, Wales aren't always at their best, but it's obviously always the referee's fault. Game dda.
It's been a tough game, but the lads deserve our praise.
But only if Wales win, of course.
Game dda, boys!
Hey Wlad fy nhadau. Easily the most recognisable song on our national anthem.
Sing it loud and proud and make sure the cameras are watching.
So this should get you through the rugby season in Wales. Keep an eye out for more videos coming soon.
All this rugby talk's made me hungry. Let's go for a curry down Caroline Street.